Here's how you can go ahead and delete your Discord account. First of all, you need to go ahead, open a web browser on your computer, go to your discord.com, or you can also follow the same steps in your phone as well. Now go ahead and once you're logged in to Discord, tap on the user settings from the bottom left corner of your screen. Go to My Account tab, which is under User Settings, and under Security, scroll all the way down, and there you'll see the two different options under Account Removal section, that is Disable Account and Delete Account. If you want to go ahead and really delete your account, go ahead and tap on Delete Account option. And in order to disable or delete your account, you must first transfer the ownership of all the servers that you own to someone, or you can also delete the server if you no longer want it. Then after, tap on Delete Account, and Discord will ask you to verify that it's your account. You may need to enter your password, or security verification will be sent to your specific email address that is associated with your account. After that, you need to verify everything, and within 30 days of deletion, your account will be permanently deleted, and you will no longer be able to log back in or access anything in your account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.